What do you got in your hand, man?
Swarm of bees. Honeybees. We got one queen in a cage. They came out of one of the hives we got over there, out of a Langstroth. And don't know why they came out. Doesn't seem like there's enough bees in there. We're thinking it's because of the farm sprays surrounding us. They got plenty of honey, plenty of brood, plenty of everything, and about 8 frames of it. And they want to keep leaving. We were going to throw an excluder on the entrance. Alright, they know the queen's here now.
Oh, do they? So now they're really gonna clump.
He cuts the tree down that we're in.
I know, right?
Don't cut this branch!
Don't cut this branch! Don't fall out of the tree, Shu.
Trying to get the rest of those bees off of that other branch.
They're all around.
Alright, so they know the queen's here now.
So they're the bees flying around. They're uh-oh.
Don't blow on them. So they know the queen's here now.
Oh, see how they're clumping around her. Where see that?
But we're not sure if there's not another queen in here. I ain't gonna be able to climb down.
Wait, what do you mean you're not gonna be able to climb down?
It's gonna get all over my hand.
Oh, with the
queen smell. Maybe.
You gonna try to come down?
I'm gonna come down.
Alright.
Before.
Drop them on my head, man.
I won't drop them on you. Well, nothing's certain, but.
See what we got.
Now,
let's take a look here. I'm gonna get a close look at these guys.
Get the snips out of my.
Oh dang, there's even more bees than the other day.
I think they're just more spread out this time. I think it's the same, probably the same bees. Alright, let's walk over to my truck and see if these bees will follow us. They should.
Alright, we're gonna see if these bees are gonna follow us. What in the world? That's the bees on your hand, Shu.
Yeah. It's getting heavy. So what they're doing, I think, is all the bees are going to come to the queen. So we put this down for a moment. See if we get all the bees out from underneath it. Come on, guys. Alright, so all the bees are out from underneath it. Now the question is there 2 queens in here or not?
Because they would clump on both maybe, huh?
Yeah, well, I had 4 queens that I caught, and every time I caught a queen, they wouldn't go to the box. And then on the last queen, on the 4th queen, they finally went into the box. And then another time, catch the queen, and all those bees fly right back into the hive that they came out of. They're like, oh, the queen's compromised. Back to the colony.
I see a few of them actually have pollen on them. They swarm with pollen.
Yeah, they just came back from work, huh?
Like, where's everybody going? Be careful, there's a couple of bees on the ground down here. Yeah, step on these guys. We just got bees flying all over the place. More bees here, man. Maybe we shouldn't be suitless and barefoot.
be all right. All right, so now gotta put something down here to block this off because this makes a gap. Oh, beetles. All right. Is there any little piece of cardboard anywhere?
So you put the queen up in there.
I put the queen in here, and then I'll grab some frames in a little bit. But first, we're gonna see if they have 2 queens or not.
So you're gonna look in this one and see if you can find another queen?
I was gonna see if they all march into this box, but I wanted to block off the bottom with something.
So they should all go into the queen. If they don't have another queen.
Yeah, they don't have another queen. And all you gotta do to do that is have it coming out of one hole, one main entrance. And as soon as they start fanning, they'll just go in that box. And then they'll all land there and they'll just march straight into it. We can turn this. Let me turn this real quick. Just in case they do march in.
See a few going in there. I mean, you see them?
I don't know, they'll go.
Yeah, they're noticing.
Give it a minute, and then they'll all march. The whole colony will march in there. That's the only queen.
Look at them go. They're going. They're going. I got a bee in my foot. Shake it off. Just don't want to step on him again later.
So just as long as it only has that one area to blow the smell of the queen out of, as soon as you put the top on, it changes the whole thing, and then they know.
And they just march right in.
March right in.
Look at them go. Look at them go. It's like a bee swarm selfie right here. They're just going all right in, guys. They're just marching right in. Right behind us. Ah, what are you doing? Trying to sneak up on me?
Trying to get you a good angle. And they're all fanning the smell. Slide it.
Shake it.
Yeah, grab it with your left hand.
The left one?
Yeah, and then turn it a little bit right there.
All right, guys, we're gonna shake this swarm of bees and we're gonna get them to all go in the hive for the queen right there. One.
Don't hit it, just shake it.
They're gonna fly all over the place. They're gonna fly all over the place, guys. Get ready for this. We're gonna shake this and all these bees are gonna go in that hive right there.
No, not like that. I said don't hit it.
Not like that.
Like that. There you go, that's good. That's good enough. Because then you might hit them and they might get mad at you. I need to make frames for them, or I need to take 5 frames out of that hive. Put it in here. And it's so cool. The first time I saw them
they
do
just
this, I was
know.
so amazed, you know, like.
Look at them rushing too, though. Just rushing in here. Look how fast they're going. Now these guys have just noticed that there's a queen in there, and they're just pouring in there. Pouring right in. Go with a little bit of fanning. almost all in there.
There's a bee on the. That's a cool one.